Hi guys, and today we're going to make a custom Lego Kessel Run Millennium Falcon. So first you need one of these pieces, then get a 1x4 piece, and then put both like that, and then you put a curved piece there. Curved piece there, curved piece there, and a curved piece there. So you've got that. And then you're going to take these, place one like that, and place one like that, and then you get this. This is the cockpit. Then you get a blue 2x4, place it on the back for the engine. Then here, to give it more like stabilisation, you do that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe and please smash that like button. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.